Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about the difference between calcination and roasting. Two important metallurgical processes. Let's learn the differences. So in case of calcination, the ore is heated in absence of air, while in case of roasting, the ore is heated in presence of air. The second point of difference to be understood is that carbonate and hydrated ores are usually calcinated, while sulfide ores are usually roasted. You can remember this by applying little tricks like calcination and carbonate both starts with C and sulfide starts with S, which is the next letter of R. In the third point of difference, we are going to discuss that during calcination, moisture and organic impurities are removed, while during roasting, volatile impurities are removed as oxides. The word volatile means that any substance which has a tendency to vaporize easily and quickly. Since the subject is chemistry, we should always add chemical equations to our answer. So one of the example goes like this. During calcination, zinc carbonate is heated, and take a look at here. There is no oxygen being added to the reactant side, thereby representing that the process is taking place in absence of air. This leads to the formation of zinc oxide and carbon dioxide respectively. While in case of roasting, zinc sulfide reacts with oxygen, that is to say, zinc sulfide is being heated in presence of oxygen to give zinc oxide and sulfur dioxide. So these are the clear-cut differences between calcination and roasting. Thank you. See you again tomorrow. Goodbye.